Alright, feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery. For them love no worthy. It's the same one me put my trust in, I end up hurt me.
People, Silk Boss finally do the right thing. People, Silk Boss turn all of the negative in our positive energy. People, we are talk about surgery, the bad song where Silk Boss drop. And me I tell you, me feel every word, every bar, every phrase in that song. Because we know say that song forward from a real youth. Yo, Silk Boss, but me tell you this. Zane, you're a bad artist. And none of them can take that from you. We are going to review it now. Alright?
It's the same one me put my trust in, I end up hurt me. Him end up hurt me.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, me have two things to say before me start this review here. One is that this review is brought to you by Marvoni Beats. Then, so the beat we are here in the, we are play right now. That nice sweet sound there. And Marvoni Beats. And people, if you want to get the hottest beats them in a dance hall right now, you have to link up Marvoni Records. Alright? Me I go leave a link in the comment section or in the description. Just look somewhere about and go link up Marvoni. Just check out them beats them. You know what I mean? Some sick beats. Young artists, link up. Then Marvoni, big up. Next thing what more have to say is to the supporters of Chaddy Murray TV, I am back in doing song reviews right now. You know what I mean? So we're not going to see more song reviews. But right now, we are talking about Silk Boss new song when release when he Surgery. People, may I tell you say yo, that song is bad. You see, greatness is a thing where no matter what go on in a life, you can't stop it. Once you have to be great, you have to be great. And you see that song, definitely great.
Alright, feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery. For them love no worthy. It's the same one me put my trust in, I end up hurt me.
Them say to keep your friend close and your enemy closer. But me I tell you, me not keep none of them close. The two of them are foolish. You see me, a family me believe in. And enough of them people I want to call friend boy. Them I want little bad man. Hey, you see someone on the boy and get hey. Yo, you see friend know say you're not bad mind. Just click the like button on the video right now. From you know say you're not bad mind. Silk Boss say, fi me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now, me say me need a surgery. Fi them love no worthy. Same one you put your trust in her, them end up hurt me. Yo, you see them words there? Powerful. And you can clearly see him talk about the TERRO and Silk Boss situation the surrounding evil breed. You know what I mean? So the man just take the whole of the energy there and write a song about it. A smile now. Who there number 5 pan trending right now.
Heart still a bleed, scars could heal, dog. Just gone to the street, bama them a beat. The amount of stab me getting on my back, me can't believe. When my friends say me fidelity left me heart a grief.
Silk Boss, me talk in the previous interview with them. Say you're a bad artist, you're just young and find yourself in a particular situation. And nothing wrong with that. Because I end the idea, the whole away, the young like you, or who younger than you, I go get old like you. So that means say you are gonna get old like we too and get wise up down. So make your mistakes them now. Nothing wrong. You can correct them later. It happened to the best of us. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something. The only way you go click the dislike on this video are because you're bad mind. Or because of you Silk Boss I talk about. Or because of you are the friend killer. Are you are the backstabber. Are them people don't like that video here or that song here. Jano.
So me strap up like seat and look how calm I reach. Nothing can save them all if you pass the preach. Shotty blast on the road, me watch them a leak. Bang if you left him in the garbage heap.
You see, Karma is a wicked girl, but you can't run from her. You could have fast like Bolt. She have to catch you. And sometimes she catch you in a way where you feel like you get wet. You make a sad mistake. Yeah man, she wicked piece of girl. Terrible piece of girl. So me strap up like seed. Look where Karma reach. Nothing can save you. All if a pastor preach.
Me done see say they fake for a long time. All of them a failure, I want see me fail. That's why them a hate and a bad mind.
There's nothing more that I can say to convince you to go and watch and listen this song. And when me say watch this song, I mean the music video. Go and go watch the music video, cause the music video bad. Silk Boss could have never do a better thing more than just put all them emotions in our song. Sing about it, my general, and get a hit. Remember, you know, all of them claim say your girl no real, which that now have nothing to do with them, you know, nothing to do with them. But even if them claim say your girl no real, and in a long run she left and gone and thing, bro, you still have your talent. Nobody can take your talent from you. So just capitalize on that. You're a bad artist, and we hope say you stay around in a dancer. People, please go and check out this song. A long time I don't do a review like this, you know. But look out for more reviews like these. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this song. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And remember, say one way, you know. Any other way, the wrong way, you know. Oh, and people, let me know what you think about me doing back reviews like these. Plus, this review and these type of review when I do, it are go only exclusive to YouTube only. So me now go upload them on the gram, and me now go upload them on Facebook, only on YouTube. And people, do remember to check out my other platforms. Them, I am on YouTube, I am on Instagram, and of course, me dep on Facebook. See? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and a one way. Any other way, or the wrong way. My God.